Welcome back to my channel. This is living in Northeast LA. I'm so excited. This home, I saw the photos. It's such a pretty house. It has that aesthetic that's trendy right now on social media. Fargo Street and Echo Park. Before we go there, we're stopping at Record Safari because, as you know, I'm a music lover. You can see every time I make a video, I'm always promoting what I enjoy, which is music. So come on, let's take a drive to Fargo Street and Echo Park. This is living in Northeast LA. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like real estate open house tours, especially in Northeast LA. Northeast LA is right outside downtown LA. So if you're visiting and you want to know where Northeast LA is, you can always call, email, or text me. Send me your information, itinerary. If you're planning a trip over here, we can go look at some homes together, or you can just watch the videos here. So thanks for tuning in. This is living in Northeast LA. So let's get started. Our driving tour starts in the city of South Pasadena. This is Monterey Road. If you're familiar with this street, it cuts across all the way from San Marino to Eagle Rock. It actually turns into York Boulevard. So if you continue on the street past Figueroa, it turns into York Boulevard. So we're going to make a few stops just because we're kind of early and we're thirsty. So we're going to stop. There's a Starbucks drive-through right here, and luckily we are the only people in line. We're exiting Los Feliz Boulevard to go to Record Safari. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we were a little bit too early for the open house, so we made a pit stop here at Record Safari. If you're in the area and you like record shopping, this is one of our favorite record stores. It's called Record Safari on Los Feliz Boulevard.
These are weird on those loops right there. Where does that bridge take you back?
Where does it take you?
Yeah.
Is this a bike path? Valley River? Yeah, I think this is just this side of it, the Griffith Park side. Oh, there's no parking.
Like this.
There's no parking.
Drop me off inside. Why I didn't put a seat
So we will be leaving Record Safari, and it was really easy to find Glendale to Alessandro, and we go up to the hilltop, cross Alvarado Street, The address is 2143 Fargo Street, LA 90039. This is one of the steepest hills in northeast LA. I was hoping that the house was at the bottom of the hill because it's just so steep to walk. If you notice, there were some people at the bottom of the hill, and we were just praising them on how hard it is to walk up any incline. Anyways, Fargo is coming up. It's a one-way street, so we're going to turn left on Fargo, and this is actually Echo Park, Northeast Los Angeles. It's a beautiful neighborhood. This is Fargo Street, and we're at the very top. It's so pretty up here. Really nice views. You can see the Hollywood sign and Griffith Park Observatory. I believe there's only one side to park on at this point, so we will park at the bottom of the hill, and I will start the video again inside the open house.
2132, 2133. Gonna be down there.
This is nice.
The destination is on your right, 2143 Fargo Street. Arrived.
Bottom, I'll bring you up and I'll get out, right?
It's okay. I'm gonna just do a video of you walking up.
Sure, walk.
This hill is so steep. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're here. We're just catching my breath. I'm trying not to fall in this video. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you'd like access to our compass technology as shown here, you can always get in touch with me. I'll leave this link in the description of the video. Thanks for stopping by, living in Northeast LA with me, Compass Real Estate Agent Victoria Munoz. If you're thinking about moving to Los Angeles, consider Northeast LA first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again soon.